This is the fifth video in my series on using Google Sheets to do inferential statistics in a more intuitive way using simulations. In this case, we're going to start a new series of videos looking at paired data for a paired samples t-test, which if you don't know what that is, you'll find out in another video or two. But this would also apply if what you were going to do was some sort of a correlation. We're using the 2018 June Pulse of the Nation survey, and we're looking at two specific questions. If you had to guess, what do you believe the federal tax rate is for individuals making more than $500,000, and what do you think it should be? In this video, all we're going to do is what's called scrubbing the data. As you can see, there are a lot of people who didn't answer this. Some people answered one question, but not the other. So we want to get this into just the people who answered both questions and gave honest answers. I'm going to create a new sheet down here at the bottom, and I'm going to cut and paste, Control-C, Control-V, the first column and now the second column. Highlight the whole column, copy, paste into here. Now I'm going to go View, Freeze, one row. That freezes this top row as headings, not as data. Now I'm going to start with column A. I'll just sort it from A to Z. I'm going to scroll down, look for answers that are ridiculous or people who did not answer at all. And I can see down here, oh, somebody thinks the tax rate should be 100,000%, which doesn't make any sense at all. So we'll start with that person, highlight them, scroll down to the very end of the data sheet, just anywhere down here randomly, hold Shift, click, and then delete all of those rows. Now I'm going to do the same thing with column B with the people who did not give an answer or gave a nonsensical answer for what they thought the tax rate should be. I can only look at people who answered both questions honestly. And again, as soon as I run out of people in that group, I'm going to click on the first one, go down to the end, hold Shift, click somewhere down here, right click, delete rows. And just like that, I have a nicely scrubbed data sheet with only reasonable answers that I'm ready to work with for either a t-test or a correlation.